Look at all those heads down on their screens. Algorithms have them filtered clean, becoming more and more like machines. White noise everywhere. It doesn't seem like anyone cares. It's all around, but never found. And it seems I'm drowning in its sound. Its sound. Just how far will it go? Will it just keep going until nobody knows? Reflecting on its own reflection. Can anyone escape from this injection? It's all subjection. People with their heads all in the cloud, looking at the world through a shroud, never having any self-doubt.